my friends, so we had looked at our magic hat lesson, and now we're going to look at how to decorate our paper bag. We are going to start with our paint. Remember, we have lots of different materials that we are going to have an opportunity to use. I have just a regular grocery paper bag, and we are going to paint. Not with a brush, but we are going to stamp paint it. So here's what I have done. I have some different materials, found objects that I can use. So a little tube, it's like a paper towel or a toilet paper. I have the end of a stalk of celery, what you would normally throw away. You can do the end of a romaine or anything like that. I have a bottle cap. We're gonna start with something larger. You could even use a sponge, which I'm pretty sure I have as well. And you can build up your color. So if I go ahead and use my paper towel or my celery, different things, we're gonna work on building up our color so it covers most of our paper. So here we go, all these different ones here. To start with, we're gonna go with our rule of 3. When we go into the paint, we don't wanna scoop it. We're just going to tap 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to 1, 2, 3. See how well that covers up? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to keep going this without even any extra paint. If I keep going up and down, I can move the paint that I already have around and work on covering the bag. Now, our bag has all of its different sides, and we want to paint the bottom of it, so it is going to take us a little bit of time. So as we work 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we will work around all of this side. When we get done, we'll turn it over and work the other side. Then we're gonna do something really fun and smush it down so we can do the other sides. So I'm going to keep working on this. You go ahead and find your fun gadgets and go ahead and get started painting your paper bag. Remember, we want to give it plenty of time to dry in between because we don't want it to stick together and we don't want to get the paint all over everything. So we've got one set up. We're going to let this dry and we will go ahead and add to it. Remember, this is just the first step. There are lots of different layers to adding things that we are going to work on. All right, guys, have fun, enjoy working on it, and I'm gonna see you in just a little bit once our bag is dry and we are ready to move on.